Yo, what is up guys? Nick Nakai here, Let's Drift Media. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button down below. So, judging by the title, I'm pretty sure you guys could assume what this video is going to be about. I bought a gaming computer, a gaming desktop to be specific, but I bought this originally so I can do more video editing because I was editing on this like 7-year-old HP laptop, which is big as hell, and it was just really slow, and a lot of the times I was trying to make videos and I would just sit there for like hours sometimes rendering all the effects, trying to get it to play back smoothly so I could actually edit the video the way I wanted to, and I was just using a basic editing software. So I really wanted to step up my game so I can move up to like possibly Adobe and start using some like real video editing software so I can bring you guys some fire content. This is the iBUYPOWER BB972. So don't really know much about computers, but anyways, let's get started with the unboxing. See what this thing's about. Alright, so unpackaged, everything's looking good. This is tempered glass, so I was really praying that it wasn't going to be cracked. Came with everything it said it was going to come with. Keyboard, mouse, power cables, video cables, and instruction guide. Still got all the packaging stickers on there, brand new, hasn't been touched. You got a little view in the back. I'll put a little better edit just so you guys can see it once it's in action with all the lights on. So I did see a video online, and I need to pull this screen cover out and then pull out that little protection shipping thingy inside there, whatever they call it, the foam packing. But holy crap guys, this thing looks like a piece of art. Look at that. Look at that. This thing is beautiful. So one thing to point about this beautiful computer and very expensive computer is around me about $1,500 for all the stuff that it comes with, I guess, all the hardware and how fast it is. So I was like, alright, you know, $1,500, that's cool. And then they shipped it, everything was good, and I was like, alright, once it comes, it'll probably be like in a brown box or something. And they ship it just like this. Literally in a box, screaming like I'm an expensive ass computer. And they drop it off at my front door, no signature required. They just straight up left it there. So I thought that was pretty shitty, actually, a Best Buy. I was like, how are you gonna ship this expensive ass computer, have nobody sign for it, and also put it in a damn box that shows it's a computer? Like, you're just asking for someone to steal it. But anyways, luckily somebody was here at the house, so I didn't have to worry about that. But just saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull off this cover, pull off that packing slip, and start plugging it in, and plugging it into my monitor right here. See how things go. Hopefully everything goes flawless. Have fun. So we got it all set up. It's pretty badass. Mouse and keyboard, just all the lighting on this is just like super cool. It looks really nice. The computer itself just looks like beautiful. Like, it looks like a piece of art. Can't even get over how nice it looks. And it's super quiet. Can't even hear that it's on. Like, my Xbox is louder than this thing. So just gonna set up all my settings, kind of mess around with it, see, install some programs, try to install like Call of Duty, see how that runs. But I'm pretty excited guys. Like I said, this is my first gaming PC ever. I've never really had like a high performance desktop or anything, so really excited to see how this works out, and also speed up these editing times, because it's one thing to film and edit, to put it on the computer and edit it the way you want it. The last thing you want to do is wait for things to load. So that's one very frustrating thing about trying to put together YouTube videos, is always waiting to load. So So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know any questions, comments, concerns. Catch you guys next time. Peace!